It's All You Can Vegas. Hey everybody, it's Derek and I'm at Mandalay Bay Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas, and this is my hotel room. Well, let's take a look around room 56233. This is a 2-queen bed room here at Mandalay Bay, and it's a strip view room. Let's take a look at the view. There's the Las Vegas Strip right there. You can see Luxor. You can see the MGM Grand. I even think I see Aria way down there. It's a pretty nice view. And if you look down here, you can see there's Mandalay Bay advertisement for shoes on, shirt on, mask on, and Vegas on. Yeah, that's what that says. So all the safety protocols being practiced here at Mandalay Bay. In fact, you even get a little safety hygiene kit here, courtesy of Mandalay Bay. Let's take a look, see what's in it. All right, looks like we have a mask, two masks, and some hand sanitizer right there, and a complimentary pouch. It's pretty good for free and for safety. And what's not for free is some of these, I'm not even sure if the sugar creamer, this contains 2 kits of coffee sugar creamer sweetener stir. Pretty sure you probably have to pay for this because there's like an I-fill cup automatic coffee maker, but I don't know where the coffee pods are. Perhaps down here. This is the fridge mini bar. Let's see what's inside here. Just as I suspected, liquor. You get yourself, I was gonna lift these up to really see, but I can see what these are. You don't want to touch these if you're not planning on paying for them. But they have a pretty good selection here of spirits. There's even some wine, champagne, nuts and cookies, and even Pepsi products. But there's no coffee pods, so I'm not sure how to make coffee. But at least I won't be purchasing creamer and sugar at minibar prices. Oh, in fact, it says here, in-room dining, scan here to view our menu, and here it says that the minibar products prices are on the television menu. All right, well, let's take a look at what's on the television. And power. There we go. All right. Whoa. All right, smoking policy. It's right there, front and center. In other words, no smoking or a $500 fee, including cigarettes, marijuana, vapors, e-cigs, even incense. That's gonna be a $500 charge if they find out. Let's dismiss that. All right, here we go. Now, dining and minibar. There we go, and okay. Oh, here we go, mini bar. I don't know, there are no coffee pods in the room, so I guess that, I don't know how you get them. Well, here's the prices. $10 for a can of Pepsi. And cookies are $11, nuts are $18. Service fee is $50. What does that mean? For using the minibar? Oh no, wait, it says here a $50 service fee will be applied for storing personal items and altering existing items. I see. So it's a service fee for using the minibar. If you want to use it for your own purposes, that's $50. All right, well, there is there's free ice down the hallway, just like in the good old days of hotels. Still got the free ice here at Mandalay Bay. At least I think it's free. I haven't walked down to find out. All right, let's walk and see if we can find the ice machine. This room is all the way at the end of this hallway. The elevators are all the way at that end. I'm suspecting the ice machines are all the way down there. We'll see. Gotta look for some signs for ice machines. I don't see any yet. There's an ice bucket in the room, so I'm pretty sure there's an ice machine. It's a long walk to the elevator, but I hope that the ice machine is somewhere before the elevator. But we're almost at the elevator, and I haven't seen it. All right, hold on. We're in the big, oh, ice and vending. Look, here's the sign. So let's go. Here we go. I think I hear an ice machine. Yeah, there, look right here, ice and vending. Ta-da. Ice. Oh, I didn't bring the ice bucket. Ugh. All right, well, let's just make sure it's free. No fees to press the button. Products right here next to the ice machine. They're $3 each. There is a notice that says, attention debit credit card users, posted price reflects a 10% discount for using cash. Even though it says you can pay with credit, that clearly says cash only. I'm not going to pay $3 for this. I'll get the $10 one in the room. Right now we still have the bathroom. There is quite a nice bathroom here at Mandalay Bay. Look at that tub and the shower and the sink. Two sinks here in this room. And you've even got some shampoo, conditioner, and lotion. And let's see what's happening inside this room. Nothing, which is exactly what I wanted. Let's see how we can take a look at the shower. There we go. Got the light on in the shower. There's the shower head. Let's get inside and see. It's a pretty good fit here. For one, I like my showers built for two or more, but this'll do. Now, of course, the most important thing about any hotel room, especially in Las Vegas, is the bed. So let's take a look at these beds. Yeah, that's pretty good. Where's the pillows? Okay. Let's get more pillows. This is how I relax in a Las Vegas hotel room. Okay. That TV is still on. I can't seem to get it to turn off. It's still on the minibar, and I don't want to watch this my whole stay here. Let me try to just turn the power. Okay, there we go. It was that easy. I guess everything is working. Well, let's take one more look at the view here at Mandalay Bay. I mean, this is what people come to Las Vegas for, is the Las Vegas Strip. And this right here is a beauty of a view. I mean, you can just see all the way down. You can see all the way down to the stratosphere. And this view comes included with the room here at Mandalay Bay, Las Vegas. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. I got to get back to my business here at the desk. Now I have no business here. I'm going to go gamble.